how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to sell products on Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace is a great e-commerce or reselling marketplaces because Facebook charges zero fees to list your items if you sell them locally. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to create your personal or business account on Facebook. So in this case, I'm using my personal account to show you on how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. And on the left side of your dashboard, you can see here the marketplace, and just click that, and in here you can see other people's listings on what are they going to sell. In the left side panel is you have the notifications, the inbox, the buying or selling side, and we're going to put up a new product or we're going to create a new listing. So just click this button, and then in here we're going to choose on what type of listing are we going to use. For example, item for sale, it is a single listing or one or more products to sell. And for vehicle for sale, of course, you would be selling cars, truck, and other type of vehicle. And for the home for sale or rent, you can list a house or apartment for sale or rent. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell an item, and then in here you can add your photos. Just select them all and then just click that, so the buyers or customers will be able to see other features of your product. After that, you can drag and drop the first photo that you want them to see on your marketplace. I suggest you to pick a photo that is eye-catching and more pleasing on the eye. And the next one would be title. You would be putting up a title. I will be naming this robot vacuum cleaner. And then the price, set up a price. For example, this is in my Philippine currency, so I would be selling this, for example, 999. And then for category, you can choose a bunch in here, and I will be choosing household. And in condition, you can sell brand new products, used or like new products, used good or used fair. So in this case, I will be choosing new. And then color of your item, it is white. And a description, you can put the products specification, the weight, the measurement specification, and then the length, width, and the height of the item. Or you can put more detailed description in here. And the availability, if you are selling more than one item, click this list as in stock. And if you're just going to list a single item, just click list as single item. And then for product tags, you can put robot or whatever you want. If people are searching for a specific product, so your item will be up on the list on their marketplace. And then for the SKU, if you want to put to track your inventory or barcode, you can put that in here. And the location, you can always change it in here, where automatically select this one or manually select this depending on the location of your item. And then you can also boost listing after publish if you want to turn it into an ad. Of course, there will be some fees to pay if you want that, or if you don't want, just toggle it off. You can also hide it from your friends if you don't want your friends to see your listing. And just a disclaimer, marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items like animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on marketplace. You can also see the detailed policies in here, and then if you are satisfied with your listing, you can edit this. If you're already satisfied, just click next. And then if you want that to post on other groups that you want to join, and then just join group, and then you can post that in there. And in here, it is already listed publicly and will be listed on the Facebook Marketplace. And then if you're done, just click publish. And then after publishing that, you can see in here the seller dashboard, the announcement, the insights, the clicks on listings, the listing saves, the listing shares, marketplace, followers. The click on listings is the views of the people who engaged on your product. And listing saves, number of times marketplace was saved, and then listing shares if the number of times marketplace listing was shared, and your followers, the number of people following you on marketplace. And on the seller dashboard, as you can see here, the overview, if you have any chats or inquiries, buyers or customers, and then you can also see the seller ratings, the one that has bought already on your marketplace. And for the needs attention, if there are any violations on the product that you posted, and here are the list of the active and pending items. Also, if you have sold and out of stock, and if you have drafts or to renew, or you can also see here the to do or relist. And then you can see in here if it is already marked and sold. You can also boost your listing and also share that. And then as you can see here, the details on when did you listed your products, and you can also see the marketplace insights in here and not just in here. So I think that's it. That is how you sell products on Facebook Marketplace as a beginner. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Facebook Marketplace tips and tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you the next time.